Well, in this matter, the order has already been complied with. As per your lordship's last directions, my lord.
ऑर्डर का अप्लाई किया है लास्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग पे, बट पर्सनली प्रेजेंस के ऑर्डर किए थे माय लॉर्ड ने डीओ का और
DO का
प्रिंसिपल एंड बीओ
explanation है that I have submitted on 26/10/2023, my lord.
लास्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग पे माय लॉर्ड ने बीओ को बोला था कि आपने ये व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किसके कहने से चलाया माय लॉर्ड?
WhatsApp पे DO का कोई मैसेज नहीं है. He is not even the member of that group.
Where are the contaminants?
They are.
प्रेजेंट
I am.
Why they are sitting? They are in a status of accused.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, DO is not a member of that group, my lord. He has given his explanation by 26/10/2023. Or
You are representing whom?
DO
only.
only. And
And Mr. Kushwaha for 3 and 4. Where is number 3? Block Education Officer. आपने पिछली बार कोर्ट को बताया था कि ये व्हाट्सएप मैसेज आपने डीओ साहब के कहने पे किया था. इन्होंने राइटिंग में डिनाइल किया है क्या? डीओ
ने राइटिंग में डिनाइल किया है, my lord. And there was some misunderstanding between these two people, my lord, DO and principal.
There is no misunderstanding. WhatsApp chat, have you seen the WhatsApp?
Yes, my lord. I have seen WhatsApp chat.
He has clearly stated कि जिनके फेवर में हाई कोर्ट
ऑर्डर है
उनको भी ज्वाइन न कराया जाए जब तक कि ऊपर से जो है
उनकी सैलरी रिलीज नहीं होगी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही.
क्या कहना मिस्टर, यू विल बी सेंट टू जेल. ऐसे खड़े होने से कुछ नहीं होगा मिस्टर बीओ. नहीं सॉरी, व्हाट सॉरी? आपने झूठ क्यों बोला कि डीओ ने कहा था आपको? या तो आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं या डीओ झूठ बोल रहे हैं. आपसे उस दिन भी मैंने वार्निंग दिया था आपको कि कोर्ट में जो भी स्टेटमेंट दीजिएगा करेक्ट दीजिएगा. क्या भाई मिस्टर कुशवाहा, भाई शुड नॉट बी सेंट टू जेल फॉर मेकिंग फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट बिफोर द कोर्ट.
फर्स्ट टाइम गलती हुई सर, इनसे आगे इसके बाद कभी भी नहीं होगी.
नहीं, ये गलती नहीं है.
और उनको रिलीव भी नहीं करा था, वो डीओ साहब ने लिस्ट लगा दी है.
No, apart from that, he said the WhatsApp messages were sent on the instructions of the DO. आपने कहाँ कहा एफिडेविट पे कि आपने कोई ऐसा नहीं किया? DO के एक्सप्लेनेशन का
जो पेज नंबर 2 है, मतलब
Yes, para 3.
So far as WhatsApp chat is
मिस्टर कुशवाहा.
ये बीओ इनका ग्रुप रहता है, डीओ साहब इसमें नहीं रहते.
नो, ही इज सेइंग आप पैरा 3 पढ़वाइए भाई उनको मैडम खेल. He has stated on affidavit he is not member of WhatsApp group and he never directed to relieve the employees who are caught.
नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी फ्यूचर में. और वैसे आपकी डील चालू कर दी, पनिशमेंट भी देना चालू कर दिया है.
किसको?
प्रिंसिपल को नोटिस इशू
शुगर नोटिस दे दिया हमने.
Why the principal? Principal has done nothing. Whatever has been done, that is by BO. She acted only on the instructions of the BO. Who will take action against the BO? Whether the state government will take action or district.
The present DO will take action if it is direct.
You are already transferred.
Yes, sir. No, I am at present, at that time I was in charge DO, sir. At present I am principal in the same city, Balagan Kalsa Secondary School. At that time I was in charge of DO. I had additional
No,
charge.
for BO, who will take action? Who is the competent authority?
Sir, DEO is the competent authority, sir.
For
District
block education officer?
Yes, sir. Yes.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर.
District education officer is the competent authority to take any action against DEO, if it is required.
मैडम he appeared, I warned him. He should have said कि सर मुझसे गलती हो गई. He should have said I warned him. He said कि साहब हमने तो DO साहब के कहने से. Then I called the DO.
Yes, madam.
बट माय लॉर्ड सबमिशन डीईओ ने जो है आप देखेंगे माय लॉर्ड मेरे लेटर्स जो मैंने फाइल किया है डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर को 12/9 को मुझे रिलीव किया माय लॉर्ड 13/9, 25/9, 29/9 और 4/10 4 डॉक्यूमेंट्स मैंने डीईओ को इस बाबत दिए हैं कि मुझे रिलीव कर दिया जानबूझ के. उस ऑर्डर को कंप्लाई करवाने के लिए इन्होंने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया माय लॉर्ड. अगर ये चाहते तो नेक्स्ट डे मुझे ज्वाइनिंग करवा देते, ये सारी प्रोसेस नहीं करना पड़ता ना माय लॉर्ड.
In action.
बिकॉज माय लॉर्ड मैंने इनको लीगल नोटिस भी सेंड किया. फर्स्ट कंटेम्प्ट भी फाइल की जब भी इनको इन्फॉर्म किया, और सेकंड कंटेम्प्ट में माय लॉर्ड ने 3/10 को प्रेजेंस के ऑर्डर किए. उसके बाद इन्होंने माय लॉर्ड मुझे ज्वाइनिंग दी.
Against principal, who is taking action?
Madam, he has issued show cause notice to
Who has issued?
सही है.
At that time I was DO and I issued a show cause notice on 21st.
Why to principal? The principal has acted on the directions of the BO.
Sir, at present I did not know about it. Because I was not a part of that WhatsApp group and I did not know what happened with it.
प्रिंसिपल ने भी माय लॉर्ड इंटेंशनली ऑर्डर पास करके रिलीव किया है. मैं आपको पढ़वा देता हूँ. इन्होंने एक लेटर लिखा है नो.
किसने?
प्रिंसिपल ने. प्रिंसिपल को 8 को हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर और डीओ का ऑर्डर मिला था कि जिनको हाई कोर्ट से स्टे उनको रिलीव ना करें. ये इनको क्लियरली नॉलेज में था माय लॉर्ड. उसके बाद 9/9 को इन्होंने एक लेटर इशू किया. यह प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि संकुल केंद्र गवर्नमेंट हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल नारायणगंज जिला मंदसौर अंतर्गत कार्य समस्त लोक सेवक स्थगन आदेश प्राप्त लोक सेवकों को छोड़कर जिनका स्थानांतरण वरिष्ठ कार्यालय द्वारा किया गया है को कार्य मुक्त किया जा चुका है. तो इन्होंने माय लॉर्ड जिनको स्टे मिला था उनको छोड़ के बाकी सबको कार्य मुक्त कर दिया था. हमने जब 9/9 को रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया तो इन्होंने हमको 12 को क्यों करा रिलीव, जबकि इनकी नॉलेज में था माय लॉर्ड सारा है.
लिखिए.
और
Now order is complied with, we will say competent authority will take action against.
और इसका माय लॉर्ड इफेक्ट ये हुआ है कि 2 मंथ से हमको सैलरी रिलीज नहीं कर रहे हैं. उसके लिए हमने 4 लेटर्स इनको दे दिए.
वो तो भाई मैडम क्लियर.
Oh, madam.
Asked.
I guess.
इन्होंने एक ऑर्डर भी पास किया है माय लॉर्ड 20 को.
I will observe that he.
My lord.
20/10 का एक ऑर्डर है माय लॉर्ड इनका. इसमें इन्होंने मेंशन किया हुआ है कि अतः निर्देशित किया जाता है कि
करके and recover that amount from these two persons,
My lord.
BO and principal.
Principal.
Salary will be paid. कितने months की नहीं मिली आपको?
2 मंथ्स की माय लॉर्ड.
2 months.
एंड माय लॉर्ड ये फाइनेंशियली जो लॉस हुआ है माय लॉर्ड,
पे हो गई है. This is wrong statement on his part. पे हो गई है सैलरी आपको.
नो माय लॉर्ड अभी तक नहीं मिली.
चलिए
2 months
if
की
not
पड़ी
already paid, that I will say.
My lord.
लिखिए. श्री SM कोरवाल.
बट माय लॉर्ड सबमिशन इंटेंशनली द ऑर्डर पास बाय द रेस्पोंड नंबर 3 माय लॉर्ड.
I am asking for inquiry.
डेफिनेटली माय लॉर्ड.
I am asking for a holding inquiry against that instead of punishing for contempt, sending to jail, I am asking for conducting an inquiry against him. लिखिए. श्री SM कोरवाल for the petitioner MS Archana K, the counsel for the respondent number 2, the then district education officer Mandsaur, Shri Tarun Kushwaha for the respondents 3 and 4, full stop. In compliance to the order dated 18/10/2023, comma, the then district education officer Mandsaur is present in the court, full stop. He has filed an explanation and affidavit and has clearly stated in para 3,
3 माय लॉर्ड.
है ना, para 3,
There are three.
para 3, that so far WhatsApp chat is concerned, he is not member of that group and he never directed to relieve the employees who have got an interim order in their favor from the court. Full stop. लिखिए the present contempt petition is filed challenging alleging the non-compliance of stay order dated 8/9/2023. Full stop. The petitioner challenged the validity of transfer order dated 31/8/2023. The said order was stayed by this court. Full stop. Despite communication of the order, block education officer issued directions to relieve the employees in whose favor the stay order was granted. The principal government girls high secondary school, Narayangarh, district Mandsaur, relieved the petitioner on 12/9/2023 despite the stay order. Considering the aforesaid submissions, the respondents 3 and 4 were directed to remain present in person. On 18/10/2023, they appeared before this court and the principal is respondent number 4 stated, number 4 है ना, principal stated that she acted on the basis on the instructions received through a message from the block education officer on WhatsApp. Full stop. On the said date, the respondent number 3 block education officer stated before this court that he acted on the instructions issued by the district education officer. Considering his statement made before this court, the district education officer Mandsaur was directed to remain present today along with the other contemners. Full stop. The respondent number 2, the then district education officer, has specifically stated that he is not member of the WhatsApp chat group and he has not issued any direction to relieve the employees who have got an interim order in favor of their favor from the court. The aforesaid statement made on affidavit is not denied by the block education officer who made an incorrect statement before this court on 18/10/2023 despite warning by this court. Prima facie a contempt is made out against the respondent number 3 block education officer for making false statement before this court. Full stop. However, considering the fact that the order has been complied with and the petitioner has been allowed to join on his place of posting, this court is of the view that instead of passing any order for contempt of court, it would be apposite to refer the matter to the competent authority to take departmental action against the respondents, number 3 block education officer and principal of the concerned school in accordance with the law. Full stop. The counsel for the petitioner submits that he has not been paid salary for 2 months. Counsel for the respondent number 2 submits that in case if the salary is not paid to the petitioner for 2 months, the same shall be paid to him forthwith. Full stop. Forthwith. Full stop. The amount of salary paid to the petitioner shall be recoverable from the respondents 3 and 4 who acted arbitrarily in disobeying the order passed this court. in view of the aforesaid, contempt proceedings are disposed of.
So we are already initiating departmental inquiry and this will be double jeopardy.
किसके खिलाफ? इनके खिलाफ?
इनके खिलाफ भी वन मतलब
4 के खिलाफ शोकॉज नोटिस इशू किया है माय लॉर्ड ओनली फॉर
कर दिया, अगर कर दिया है तो वेरी गुड.
4 के खिलाफ.
They are liable. I am not punishing them. Otherwise, for making false statements before the court.
Definitely.
Despite warning, he made that statement. I am surprised that a person holding post of block education officer, has nothing. मतलब he is not aware of what this court can do to him for contempt. I have taken a lenient view instead of that. Let the department take a action competent authority. Yes.
हाँ जी.